The brutal truth she never expected. She thought you'd chase her forever. That no matter how much she ignored you, disrespected you, or took you for granted, you'd always come crawling back. But what she didn't see coming: your silence, your indifference, your unshakable peace. This isn't revenge. This isn't hate. This is something far more powerful: Stoicism in action. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why this is what truly destroys her when she realizes the man she underestimated is gone forever. The Stoic blueprint to unshakable power. 1. Why silence hurts her more than anger. Most men think screaming, begging, or arguing will make her regret losing them. But here's the truth: anger still shows you care. Silence? That's the ultimate power move. When you disappear without a word, her mind races. Is he over me? Did he find someone better? Why doesn't he care anymore? That's when her ego crumbles. The Stoics knew this. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The best revenge is not to be like your enemy." Your silence isn't weakness. It's mastery. 2. The Stoic withdrawal. How to detach like a king. No contact isn't about her, it's about you. Deleting her number, blocking her social media, and walking away isn't petty. It's self-respect. The Stoics called this amor fati, loving your fate. If she chose to leave, accept it. Not with bitterness, but with the quiet confidence of a man who knows his worth. Every second you spend obsessing over her is a second stolen from your destiny. So ask yourself, is she worth delaying your greatness? 3. The ultimate power move. Becoming untouchable. She expected you to fall apart. Instead, you leveled up. Better body. Sharper mind. Deeper purpose. That's what stings the most. Because now, she has to live with the fact that she was the one who lost value, not you. Epictetus said, "No man is free who is not master of himself." When you focus on your empire, your mission, your growth, that's when you become truly untouchable. And that's when she realizes she made the biggest mistake of her life. For why women respect and fear the Stoic man. Women don't fall in love with men who love them more than they love themselves. They fall for men who love their mission more. Think about it. When you were desperate for her attention, she pulled away. But the moment you moved on, suddenly, you became attractive again. That's not a coincidence. That's human nature. The Stoic man doesn't play games. He simply outgrows them. The final lesson, if you remember one thing from this video, let it be this: the man she took for granted no longer exists. You're not the same person. And that's your victory. So delete the texts. Hit the gym. Build the empire. And when she looks back, because she will let her see a man so far ahead, she can't even remember what she lost. Why this works: deep emotional pull, rage, pain, triumph. Stoic wisdom, not just red pill anger, but timeless philosophy. Actionable steps. Men leave with a plan, not just motivation. Viral potential. Clips like why silence destroys her ego can explode on shorts/reels.